Hello, this is the third video in changing the subject of a formula or rearranging formulas. Okay, now if you look at this first formula that we have here on the left, we've got the operation square root of m. So that actually turns out to be an example of an index. So what we have to do is do the opposite operation of taking the square root. And the opposite of taking the square root is squaring. So I'll write squared, and I square both sides. Squaring and taking the square root cancel each other out. For example, 4 squared is 16. Square root of 16 gets you back to 4. So squaring and square root are inverse operations. So once I've canceled out those, that leaves just an m, which I'll write on the left-hand side. And on the other side, I've got a p squared, which I'll write on the right-hand side. Yeah, let's have a look at the equation underneath it. I'll just move it up a bit higher, so I've got plenty of space to do the work. Okay, now you also need to sort of think of the square root as being like brackets. So I can't do anything inside the square root until I get rid of it. So you might think maybe I should multiply both sides by 2 because of the divide by 2, but we actually have to get rid of the square root first. So once again, I'm going to start by squaring both sides. And the reason is the square root and the squaring cancel out. That leaves just m over 2 on the right-hand side and p squared on the left-hand side. Now I can say m is divided by 2, and therefore I need to multiply both sides by 2 and multiply that side by 2. The 2's cancel out, and that leaves me just an m on this side, which I'll write on the left, and a 2p squared, which I'll write on the right.